Hello, and welcome to our video on the custom-made Excel list. The Excel list is an Excel file where you can find all of your data for a given period. You can export a standard list or a custom list. The standard Excel list includes the data for every element on the form, and the custom export allows you to select only certain fields you'd like to export.
You can modify the standard Excel list by clicking on the Exports tab of your form and Modify option next to the standard Excel list. There are several options available under the Options tab. Check the box Display the history of each data in your Excel file to include an additional history column precisely describing the history of the data, saved, transferred and edited data by user and date. Check the box Display a unique identifier for your Excel file list to include an additional unique identifier column. Check to display a record number to include an additional record number column. The record number is a number inherent to your form which starts with 1. The Display the Hidden Fields option allows you to display hidden fields based on the visibility condition on your Excel list. To view the customizable user fields on your Excel list, check the box Display the customizable user fields. The Empty Cells Management option allows you to decide if you want empty cells to be merged, duplicated or blank. All you need to do is select the corresponding field in your score list. The Multiple Choices List Management option allows you to decide if you want the lists or multiple choices to be combined into a single column in the Excel file or to be separated into several columns. Let's view the final result of the standard Excel list file form. To create a custom-made Excel list, click on the Exports button on the top right of your form, then on List, and finally on Add a new export. The Field Settings tab allows you to name your export template, the export files, and also to organise the fields present in your Excel list. In order to configure your custom-made Excel list, simply drag and drop the desired fields from left to right. You can also display the column headers by checking the dedicated box. You will then obtain a personalised Excel list. There are several options available under the Options tab. Check the box Export Excel List by default if you want this custom Excel list to be the one taken by default, for example, your Dropbox. The Display Hidden Fields option allows you to display hidden fields in your Excel list based on a visibility condition. The Empty Cells Management option allows you to decide if you want empty cells to be merged, duplicated or blank. All you need to do is select the corresponding field in the score list. The Multiple Choices List Management option allows you to decide if you want the lists or multiple choices to be combined into a single column in the Excel file or to be separated into several columns. Let's export the custom Excel list file form. As you can see, based on our choice of options, the export list is customised to display the right information.
Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us at support@kizeo.com.